Okay guys, listen to this. You guys hear the coyotes? Blake, you hear that?
They're down.
I'm moving my thing, eh? Too close to this. I'm actually scared now, hold on. I'm moving my tent.
Yeah, well we heard lots of coyotes guys. We'll keep you guys posted. It's getting hectic out here.
No, they could throw you out.
Because the fire is going and the
You know what I've done?
Coyotes aren't that big, so you can probably fight them out. No, they're usually in packs though.
What?
Coyotes are usually in packs.
See, that's what I'm saying. You hear all those ones like... It's like, oh, hell no. Hell no. Yo.
No, you can die. I'm not dying alone, yo. You can't die like
We're bringing the kids.
No, you can die there.
Wait, did you hear that?
Yes, I heard it. I'm not worried though.
Well, guess what? I'm not you and I'm worried. I'm scared.
Oh my goodness,
What was
dude.
that sound?
So if I told you mom and dad were out there right now, how would you feel?
That's not mom and dad.
Yes, it is.
It's a 4-foot figure running. Are you trying to put down the window? Are you stupid?
How does this work?
Can't see anything.
Oh yeah, but that's when you put it back up. Put it back up. Put it back up.
No,
Put it back up.
I gotta see where these people.
Oh my goodness.
No, you don't, yo. No, you don't. No, man.
Open up all the windows, yo.
Hell no. Man. Y'all don't care about your life, do you?
These kids are so scary.
Yeah, yo. Okay, fine. Fine. It's not in style. It's not in
Bro,
style.
if you die, you die. It's simple.
You're gonna die in the whole movie.
Take it for what it is. Don't fight it.
I'm a white guy. I should go investigate.
Take it for what it is. Don't fight
You
it.
should.
I'm a white man. Let's go investigate. Blake,
Oh,
we're white.
wait a minute. Hold on, hold on.
And I should die first in the horror
Hold
movie.
up.
Yeah, you should do it.
Yo, I think I understand this now. Like that.
How mama do that? Oh, I did too. I just heard them.
Oh, wait.
Yo.
See, man.
No, look at my head.
Yo, is this
You can die alone.
Yo, is
I die alone,
You
dude.
die first. No.
Oh.
Now stuck me
like-
in the middle. Now stuck me in the middle.
You wrecked my body?
I hate both of you.
Okay.
God, see? No.
How does it work?
Oh.
No, what?
Like,
Blake, you don't hear this?
what?
Yo, you're actually a special one.
I think mom and dad brought the camera with them, by the way. Just so you know, dude.
Okay, man. It's not mom and dad. You kidding me? We would have heard mom laughing by now. Is that you? No. No, you're the way from the Blake, yo, do something.
What do you mean, do something,
Do
bro?
something, yo. You're older, yo. What the hell?
You're acting like...
You kidding me? We would have heard mom laughing by now.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, you brought it up.
Probably a raccoon, too.
Dad.
Wait, did I?
Yeah, probably a raccoon, too.
That loud?
Who knows?
I feel more than one.
Oh, man, you hit me right in the head, whatever that is. Jeez.
I swear to God, I'll beat your head in the What is that?
Yo, I think I accomplished something, bro.
I saw a face when I opened up that thing.
Yo, I think I did it still.
Was it human?
Yo,
I don't know.
Touch me. Yo, man, you guys
Someone went that dummy, bro. Who left the door open, man?
Lamar opened it, yo.
Bear mosquitoes are gonna come in now.
Lamar opened it, not me. I'm not stupid.
Oh my goodness.
Is it still open?
No, I just closed it.
Good, yo. So who should go out there first?
No one.
Sorry, go away. I don't investigate. Not my thing.
You're the flash, I'll go.
Good night.
Nah, there's nothing. No, hold on. Is it missing to 10?
Oh man, yo, Dean, just check it out, bro. There's
No.
a flashlight.
No, that's not my mom and dad. No, not. No.
Bro, you guys are so childish and dumb. That was like a really white hen, and that was mom, because mom is really white. So,
Oh, really white.
yeah, see, it has a grip on me.
Blake, you good?
Oh.
Actually, me, eh? I think I found my pants too.
Woo, yes.
Bunch of little wimps.
Ah, YouTube. Whoa, that was great. Come, let's go around the fire here.
I almost sacrificed.
Okay. Boom. Dean almost got sacrificed, I heard.
Like I'm
This is great.
I'm white. Do I look white?
This is huge. That was so fun. You guys have it. The boys scared in the middle of the woods in the tent alone. Woo. That was good.
Sure not to have nightmares.
I was scared. You guys go. Okay. Oh, so what's up, everybody? So this is what's going on. So it looks up in the tent. Boom. Sunday, bright. And Nevaeh passed out there. There's Mommy Reckless. That's a nice tent. Big old tent. Got a light flashing up there. Here I am. Boom, boom. Yep, we pranked the kids pretty good earlier. That was funny. Me and Mommy Reckless were hiding around the tent, scaring the hell out of the boys. So funny. Alright, guys. Get back at you in the morning. Alright, guys. I don't know what time it is. I'm hearing all sorts of crazy noises outside. This is pretty nuts. It's like things are all around the outside of the tent here. I hear some weird growling. Or it's the boys next to us snoring their heads off. Either way, it's hard to sleep at this. I don't know, guys. Alright, I'm gonna try and get to sleep. Okay guys, this is bullshit, honestly. I just can't get to bed. I could be out my house right now, my air conditioning, just hanging out, just relaxing on my nice bed. But I'm out here in the wilderness. I'm hearing animals. Oh, hear that? Leaves cracking all around us, branches breaking. Okay, I was gonna try and make myself get to sleep here. Mommy Reckless, you know, born and raised in Newfoundland. She's used to it, she can handle this stuff. She's soldiering it out, she's sleeping peacefully. My car? What the hell? I don't even know if I'm about to get out, even if it is my car. Damn. And I definitely hear people. These aren't animals now. There's people around us out this late at night. I don't know if these guys are walking around the woods. I don't know if they're going to stumble across my campsite or not. This is getting crazy. What kind of people will be out walking around the woods at this? Steph. Steph, you hear that shit? Steph, you hearing that? I'm spending money to come out here like this. I feel like I'm risking my life.
What are you saying? What happened?
People walking around in the woods, like they're talking and laughing and shit. Right around us. People should be sleeping around this time. What the hell are these guys coming out here to do? Listen.
I hear branches breaking.
They're talking and stuff. Okay guys, I'm still hearing shit. Just listen to this. Doesn't all that sound like people that walk around the woods? What the hell are people doing walking around the woods?
Maybe they're playing manhunt.
Playing manhunt?
I don't know. Who the hell runs around the woods at night?
Sounds like they're getting kind of close, is all I'm saying. Alright guys, I'm gonna try and get to sleep again. Alright, later guys. Alright guys. Nah, I ain't sleeping. I'm probably just gonna be like this all night long. Cause I hear pure shit out here. Alright guys, wish I had enough battery to keep this thing running for my own protection, you know. I feel like I need this for my own protection at this point so I can show you guys the type of shit I'm gonna be dealing with tonight. But I'm gonna shut this off and I'll get back at you guys in the morning. Oh, what up guys? Ooh. Next morning here. Oh, the worst sleep ever. Can't wait to go home, to be honest with you. This one here is loving it. She's had the greatest sleep ever. Snoring away.
I did not snore.
Hey, who's coming
I did
away?
not snore? That's a lie.
Ah, hi, Sunday.
Hi, Dad. Does anybody have a tissue with you or something?
Okay. Alright, guys. This is the next morning.
Hello.
Everybody's awake. Mommy Reckless over there, heating up her Timmies.
Hello. I'm camping.
It heats it up, it warms it.
Hello.
Hey,
We're also camping.
we are camping.
Yep, ow.
Just leave it right beside there, Steph. Even if you put it literally right beside the grill right there for about a minute. Blake inside the car,
Listening to music.
listening to music, the rapper dropper. Yeah, we're just about to get some sausages on the grill for breakfast. Everybody had a good sleep last night?
Yeah, mine was the best. I literally didn't wake up or anything.
Really?
I woke up in the middle of the night and heard something out here.
Yeah, well,
Yep, I heard creepy sounds.
you all know how my night went.
I'm cold. Yeah?
Cal, the rest of that coffee.
Are you mad?
Wait, no, trick him.
Cal, the rest of that coffee.
Are you mad?
Mom, trick him so I can go sit in the front seat. Tell him to come over here and get it.
No. No.
Mom,
Somebody throw a stick at him or something.
Mom, please trick him, please.
Okay.
Why holding it over the grill?
Why do you think I'm holding it over the grill?
Blake, think Mom's gonna give you her coffee on a camping trip? You know, coffee's like really important right now.
This is vital.
She did it last time.
You know, there's a Timmy's just not like.
Jessica had 3 yesterday. And I didn't
The Timmy's not at the end of the road here, eh? I had to take a canoe across the water just to get that Timmy's.
We didn't. Did you really?
Yeah, you did.
I canoed it this morning for that guy. That's right. I'll be out in canoes in the morning for my coffee.
You can have it when it gets cold.
Why?
Yep. The boys' big tent. That's how the boys were rolling last night. It's our little tent over here. Boys' big tent. My little tent.
Poor Lamar's like, man.
Alright, Steph, I think I might have to charge up the camera a little bit.
Could you at least not touch button? That'd be great.
I didn't even do that.
What are these guys doing? What? Look at these guys. Sunday playing with her snails. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm about to make some of this breakfast right now. Cook up some sausages. Then after that we're going to pack up these tents, which is fun. It's going to be just great.
Jesse doesn't sound right. It just doesn't sound right.
Like one there.
Hey guys, so what are we doing? Packing up?
Yep. So we just finished our lunch, or
Yep.
sorry, our breakfast.
What do we have,
Finished our
Dad?
breakfast.
What do we have?
Our maple sausages
And Pop-Tarts?
and Pop-Tarts. That's right, and watermelon.
Did you guys have fun or what?
Yes. Wait, move Sunday. I want to try something. Wait,
No, don't be jumping on the mattress, please.
I'm not.
Thank you for packing up the blankets, Neve. I appreciate that.
Okay.
Now it's just clean up time.
To take down the tent
What
now.
I'm gonna do.
Take down the tent.
Nina, get up. Look what I'm gonna do.
Zippers on the bottom, at least it should be. Yep, this is the mess. We gotta start cleaning everything up.
This is your stuff. So Steph, I guess I'm going to
I'll lay on this.
I'll put it on the tarp.
Okay.
I'll lay out the tarp.
All right, we'll come back in a little bit, guys.
Can we take it down? I want to help take it down.
No, come on out, guys. Daddy's taking it down.
Taking the tent down.
Come on.
Hey, I'm gonna be in here.
There's no staying here. Will I take it down?
Yeah.
I don't know how that's gonna work.
No, come on out, you guys.
No. I want to try.
Falling down. London tent is falling down.
Get out, you guys.
Falling down, guys. Okay. Here, guys, come into this hole right here. Come.
Quick, come on out, guys.
Sunday, come out. Come out.
Now, Sunday.
Sunday, come out. Bright, come out.